Good morning, everyone. This is Monday morning. Due diligence here. It's about 8:16 a.m. in the morning. And so, in terms of East Coast time, it's about 11:16. Some people are going to get lunch and everything. This is a mid trading day update sort of thing. So, this is what I observed today, right? So, as you can see, this is Doge Coin. Everybody loves Doge Coin. As of right now, I think in terms of the short-term outlook, I think it's today it's at the bottom where you can sort of buy the dip right now. And again, I am not a financial advisor and I do not give financial advices. But if you look at the bottom as of June 21st, 9:45. The bottom support line is around 0.3621, and today it hit 0.3621. However, it bounced back with a little bit of a volume increase, and therefore we know that a lot of people think that why is my Glink not working? Come on. Ah, there you go. You see, if we draw the line over here, right here, 3621. Well, now it hits 3621, but I think it's gonna bounce back as of this not mid-season update, but it's the mid-market update. And if it goes over, if you see the volume here gets green, which means people are buying in at this point. If people are buying at this point, it probably will rebound up to here. That's 36.50, so 51-ish. And then when this support line stabilizes on, you're looking at here. Looking at 36.70, and then after it goes back up to 36.70, it probably will reclaim the 37 line right here. And you know, the weekend isn't that great in terms of Dogecoin per se, because the average actually goes down. However, the fact that Elon is posting a lot of things about Dogecoin, and you look at Coinbase, people are actually buying into it. I think in terms of utility wise, for every Bitcoin currency or everything go like Bitcoin related stuff, I think it still having an upside. However, depending on how the economy is gonna go in mid-June and maybe early July, with oil prices and with oil inflation, people are basically treating Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as another asset class that helps them diversify their portfolio. And in terms of just like the near short-term outlook, I think it's still having an upside. You can trade like day by day with it, maybe swing trading a little bit, but consider the fact that it's open 24/7. You have a huge amount of risk. But if you look at Ethereum, right? Let's look at Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum, like you can see, if you look at Ethereum, the Ethereum outlook is actually better than all the other Bitcoin asset, because with Elon having a feud with Bitcoin itself, well, the Ethereum trend is always upward, right? And then you hit another supply line over here. You sort of have like a little flag formation over here going down, and it hits the volume, we call it volume drought, and then it goes up again. And as you can see, this candle and that candle, right? Those two candle upwards, and here they're battling for the upwards line, because the previous top is here, right? You see this? Yeah, so this this range is not claimed properly, therefore it goes down to the secondary support line over here. It hit it. Everybody's like, oh, let's observe a little bit, and then you can see in here it reclaims and going up. But the thing is, if you can't claim this line, let's see, what line is this? 27.92, there's not going to be a huge upside. But in terms of the entire Ethereum class, I think it's pretty good, right? If we look at the 1-day chart, sorry. See, as far as the total momentum goes, it's like, it's a little bit stagnant right now. Like, as you can see, this about this line, right? If Ethereum stabilizes at 2690, you can see an upside up to at least, where is it here? 3020. Yeah, around 3020. However, if it really depends on how the oil goes, right? And I'm gonna make another now mid-season update, mid-market update for oil. I think for oil, we're claiming 73 is inevitable. And for those of you out there who thinks oil is gonna have a temporary correction, you might be right. However, if we look at the supply and demand forecast for the supply side and the demand side for oil, especially after the OPEC meeting last week, I think we can see a pretty good oil price increase in the next a week or so. And even though majority of my holdings are in oil, and I still can feel the inflation a lot. If you go to the grocery stores over the weekend in California, if you go to gas stores or gas stations in California over the weekend, you will see that price fluctuate a lot. And even in grocery stores, you see that you can buy less stuff with the same amount of money. This is their strategy, which is what is called everyday low price. They sort of trick you a little bit by not increase the unit price on certain grocery goods like milk, veggies, mushrooms, and everything. If you look at the mushroom price, right? If you just look at the portobello mushroom in, let's say, Sprouts or Whole Foods, you will see that a lot of them are actually increasing price in the past a week or so by a lot, by like 50 cents per those big bags. As someone who's kind of like a Chinaman who cares about groceries and everything, I looked at it and I was like, you know what, inflation is keep going up, and it's slowing down a little bit, but there's still a lot of upward momentum. Therefore, I believe that it's not really getting anywhere in the next month or so. And we can see a mid-June update later on this month, but we still have around 8 days or maybe 10 days left. So I think the oil outlook is pretty positive. All right, this is it for the Doge Coin cryptocurrency mid-market update, and I'm gonna make a video on the oil update. Put the chart up and everything, so then everything is more clear and clear cut. You can see it with data and everything, not just my speculations. And as usual, you guys know I am not a financial advisor, and I do not give financial advices, boys.